Hey there, this is Review Riot, and today I'm going to tell you my honest review of this automatic soap dispenser. First of all, I want to give a big shout out to my friends at Zeno for sending me this product so that I could use it and I can publish my honest opinions of it all over the internet. Within the box, you will find the soap dispenser itself and a tiny manual, which I can appreciate because, save the trees. What I have here is the dark gray version of the soap dispenser, but you should know that it also comes in this beautiful teal green color. This is also the only size available, but I found that it was a perfect size for a soap dispenser you're going to be using at home. Here it is right next to a regular soap dispenser that you get from Walmart. They're pretty much the same. This automatic soap dispenser goes for $27.99 US, and it is absolutely worth every penny. Let me explain to you why. First of all, the device comes with a warranty of 12 months. It uses 4 AAA batteries. I bought some at the dollar store and I have been using the device for about 2 weeks, and this device is still running with no problems. If we take this lid off, you will see right here is the power switch indicator. Here's where we put the batteries, and then down here is where we have the soap export and the sensor right over here. And of course, this section is where the soap goes. After you purchase this device, make sure that you are either using liquid soap or foam soap. Now here's a quick lesson about soaps. The most common soap you will find at the store is gel soap, like this one. Do not use gel soap with this device without diluting it first. So you can use the gel soap, but you have to dilute it first. I would strongly recommend that you use foaming hand soap just like me, so you don't have to worry about diluting anything either. I was easily able to fit the whole container of soap that I bought, and there was a little bit of room left. All I have to do now is remove this cap, grab my batteries from the dollar store, and insert them. There is a light indicator that turns red when the device is off, and it turns blue when the device is on. So this is the amount of soap that it will dispense each time, which I personally thought was more than enough to wash your hands thoroughly. Overall, I think that this is a very good purchase. It's well worth your money. It's a good device, it works flawlessly, and I think it looks pretty cool too. Thank you for watching, thank you for 1,000 subscribers, and thanks again to Zeno for sending this in. Peace.